Hello, and welcome to Multiple Means of Representation, a tenet of Universal for Design, UDL. In this short video, I will discuss the tenet I focused on in my individual assignment project, which is multiple means of representation. I will state what is multiple means of representation, define what it is, and state emphatically why I chose this tenet as my choice UDL tenet. I will then state two proven research cases of how this tenet was beneficial in research. Finally, I will indicate how I plan on using this tenet in my instructional design online course and justify the reason. What is multiple means of representation? It is the ability to learn with technology and media, an easy way to apply learning online, and it is designed to meet diverse set of learners' needs. So why did I choose this tenet? It is a relatable tenet. It can meet all students' learning needs and addresses various students' learning deficiencies. See some examples of how multiple means of representation can be used for students in an online learning environment. By using animation, incorporating in the learning module, allowing diagrams, making lecture videos of the class available to students to review, course content before the commencement of class, and the incorporation of images into elements of the course. Evidence of the tenet uses in research. Case 1. A research was conducted in 2017 on universal design for learning applied during e-learning, emphasizing how web design with technology-driven influences blended in e-learning application. Multiple means of representation were highlighted. There are approximately 115 persons that participated in this research. Learning content was made available in various formats. Various surveys and questions were provided with positive results that multiple means of representation are a critical component and beneficial to the online e-learning platform. Case 2. Another research was conducted focusing on how a classroom at a university used universal design for learning. The studies aim to discuss UDL significance usage to higher education to aid and facilitate using the UDL application in a unique development environment and allowing information to be shared on students' classroom strategies. Various teachers were the participants who were challenged to incorporate multiple means of representation in the classroom. As a result, it was indicated that multiple means of representation are vital to the learning environment, but teachers need to have more focus on their students who are the audience. As a result of choosing multiple means of representation as my choice tenet, I therefore plan to apply this to my instructional design in my online learning environment by implementing the following. The using of mobile devices as a supplement. Provide options for students to access course materials before the commencement of the course. Make recordings available to students on the course for those who are not able to attend class online. Establish questionnaires to clarify various learning deficiencies, and I therefore would tailor my course to address some of these areas. It is proven when multiple means of representation is implemented, they are beneficial to students in an online learning environment because students become elated when they have these things incorporated. They have an in-depth understanding of the content. There are more options available for learning and more learning strategies are incorporated. In conclusion, It is noted that when multiple means of representation are incorporated into an online learning environment and maximize its capacity, there is an enhancement learning environment. Pre and post understanding is established. Teachers are better equipped to teach. Teachers become aware of how, when these elements of the tenets are embodied in the learning module, they can easily detect deficiencies and they can immediately address them. In the future, I plan to incorporate multiple means of representation into my online learning environment. See the below reference. Thank you.